Unlock the power of Genealogy Assistant, the essential browser extension that saves you hours of tedious research tasks every week, letting you focus on making new discoveries. Accelerate your research and uncover new connections effortlessly with over 100 powerful features tailored for genealogy platforms like Ancestry, MyHeritage, FamilySearch, and FamilyTree DNA. Simplify repetitive tasks with one-click tools. Select multiple checkboxes, autofill names, and adjust formatting with ease. Customize your DNA match data with highlights that emphasize key details, making at-a-glance analysis faster and more intuitive. Seamlessly switch between genealogy platforms using built-in quick links, keeping your research moving without interruption. Our powerful quick search bar works from any page, enabling instant searches across all major family history websites and collections. You can search using natural language, powered by our Genealogy NLP machine learning algorithm. Access essential tools like the Family Search Wiki and DNA Painter's shared Centimorgan tool directly on the page you're viewing, automatically pre-filled with the relevant data. Navigate faster with custom keyboard shortcuts and personalize quick links to profiles, saving you valuable time in your research workflow. Genealogy Assistant is highly customizable and easy to use. No special setup or configuration is required. Try a no-obligation 2-week free trial and see how this extension can help empower your family history research. All you need is an email address. Genealogy Assistant is available for Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Search for Genealogy Assistant in the Chrome Web Store or visit our website at genia.ca. That's GENEA.ca and click the green Install Genealogy Assistant button in the top right-hand corner. It's designed to work out of the box, so you can install Genealogy Assistant and get going with ease. This video highlights just a few of the over 100 features of Genealogy Assistant. Try it out today and see how it can work for you. Thanks for your time, and happy tree building.